Today I'm making a Bombay potato soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. I originally shared this recipe on my blog, Liana's Kitchen, back in 2019 when I first adapted it for the Morphy Richard Soup Maker, and then later for my second Soup Maker book in 2022 where I made it in the Ninja Soup Maker. So let's get to the recipe. Today I'm using an onion, some Maris Piper potatoes, chopped tomatoes, curry powder, turmeric, tomato puree, and some vegetable stock. The main preparation you need to do is for the potatoes. As this is going to be a chunky soup, I prefer to peel the potatoes, but there's no need to throw the peels away. You can save them to put in the air fryer for a tasty snack later. I'll share the recipe for that down below. So chop the potatoes up into small chunks. Some people have reported that their potatoes don't always cook through in the soup maker. I haven't really had this problem before, but I would suggest starting off with hot water rather than cold for the liquid, and also make sure you have enough stock, so at least 750 millilitres so that the potatoes can cook in it. Okay, so add the onion to the soup maker jug, followed by the chopped potatoes, then the spices, the chopped tomatoes, the tomato puree, and finally the stock. You may need to dislodge the potatoes a little bit so that the stock can make its way down so that you can fit it all in. Next, put the lid on and press the chunky soup setting. The program will run for 30 minutes on the Ninja Soup Maker, and I think for similar lengths of time on other soup makers. Okay, so at the end, you can remove the lid and serve it as it is, or what I like to do is use the pulse button to chop it up and change the consistency up. Then after that, carefully remove the lid and you can serve it if you're going to be eating it straight away. And that's it, a really quick and easy Bombay potato soup for the soup maker. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next one. And let me know in the comments what your favourite soup maker recipes are. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.